Very good morning to all present here. My name is Neelanjan Ghosh and I interned with Waste Management Sustainability Services under the supervision of my manager Herman Shan. Japan, and my co-workers were Japan, Brian and John. So I'm doing my master's in Management Information Systems from Texas A&M University, Mia's Business School. So in my internship, which started on June 3rd, I worked broadly on two projects, which the first one being the integration of and automation of Inspire with SQL Server. The second project which I worked on was the gap analysis of the unified reporting strategy with the Netezza data warehouse. So the first thing was the first project was the automation and integration of Inspire. So what is Inspire? Inspire is the business intelligence tool which we are using to report the data in a format so that it can be really understood by the clients. So what are we presenting? What data are we presenting? We are presenting the haul data, the disposal, the recycling, the materials which we are recycling for the clients. So presently, the process is very manual. We get data from various systems like we have Acorn, Reti, Lamp Tracker. These are some of the systems which we have. We get data in Excel spreadsheets, and with that data we upload it into the BI tool, the Inspire BI tool. So we have almost 20 clients with 3 Excel spreadsheets which we have to update every month. So it's quite a tedious work for us. So this is the workflow which I designed. This is the WM data which we are getting from various systems. Here we have the Acorn, Reti, Mass. Do you have any idea of the systems which we have in place? The Acorn, it's the billing software which we have at Connecticut. We have Mass, which is in Dallas. We have Reti. These are all the databases which we have. So from here, everything will be automation programming. I did automation programming from here. The data will be pushed into the database and will update the dashboards on the fly. It will be a real-time update of dashboard. So how did I do it? This is the data mart which I created on the SQL Server. It is a star schema. It's a data warehouse concept where we create a star schema with a fact table and all the dimension tables. The dimension tables are nothing but our business areas, like we have equipment, we have materials like the cardboard, the trash, we have locations, the client locations, like say we are hauling from say Houston maybe from Holy Hall Apartments. So we have invoices, we have the clients over here. So these are all the dimensions which I created, and this is a data mart. The second thing which I did was the automation programming. It's a T-SQL store procedure. It's a 700 line of code which I wrote to automate the whole process. It will take data from Excel spreadsheets, populate it into the data marts, and then update the dashboards on the fly. So this is the Inspire tool. It's just the backend of the Inspire tool. Here I created information links. Like it is integrating the Inspire tool with the data mart which I created, so that it can pull data from the data mart and update the dashboards on the fly. So this is a snapshot of the information link which I created, and it's nothing but a SQL query. It's a SQL query over here. So this is a snapshot of the dashboards which we make for our clients. We have various clients like Nike, like the Walmart, Best Buy, DirecTV. So all these dashboards which are getting updated manually presently will be automated completely, so that just with a click the dashboards will be updated on the fly. So this is a snapshot of the dashboard which we create. Presently I have already gone live with Nike, DirecTV, Tyson and Williams Sonoma. All these clients are right now in the system and will be there to publish on the web. So this is the first project which I worked on. The second project is the CCDB Inspire Gap Analysis. So what is CCDB? Presently, Waste Management has 15 to 20 databases which caters to internal data use as well as publishing data to the clients. Like, as I mentioned, we have systems like the Acorn, MAS, Lamb Tracker, Reti. So all these systems have their own syntax and semantics. Like, for example, one system may say Walmart as wall space mart, or another system may say wall underscore mart. So when we report it to the clients might not know what is wall underscore mart or what is wall space mart. They might ask us, why do you have difference between these systems? In order to create a unified experience, we have created this centralized data warehouse called the CCDB, which is on the Netezza data warehouse. It's an IBM product. So there are almost 300 tables in this CCDB, and Inspire is a tool which needs maybe data from might be 20 or 30 tables. So what I did, I found the tables from which we need data. So that first of all, I went through whole database, created a structure, and ultimately created a query which will sum up the data needed for Inspire. What I did was analyze the data present in CCDB data warehouse out of the 300 tables, formed a query so that we can take the data from the CCDB, validated it with live mass invoices. Mass is a system in our waste management. Validated it with mass invoice report so that the data which I am pulling from the CCDB has some meaning. Then I conducted repeated UAT sessions to check the validity of the data so that we are right there to integrate our Inspire BI tool with the CCDB directly. So it was a great learning experience for me. And I not only worked with databases, I learned this Inspire tool, that is a BI tool. It was a really great experience working with my team, with Herman, Japan, Brian, and John. So let me go ahead and show you a live Nike dashboard which we have. So this is the front page of the Nike dashboard. So these are all the metrics which we design on the dashboards, and this data is being taken from the data mart which we have presently, which I have designed for the sustainability services. So we calculate the diversion rate, like how much did were we able to recycle. Then we track the efficiency, the tonnage, how much tonnage did we recycle, how much tonnage did we get from the client locations, and the cost of it. So this will be updated on the fly at real time. So that was my project. Any questions?